This video, I'll explain how to change your server in Delta Force Mobile. When you open the settings menu in the upper right corner, you'll notice that there is no direct option to change your server. You can manage options like aim assist, sensitivity, and other gameplay settings, but not the server. That's because Delta Force Mobile automatically selects the best server based on your location. So, what can you do if you want to play on a different server? The only solution is to use a VPN. Download a VPN app and change your virtual location to the country you want to connect to. After doing that, launch the game, and it should place you on a server closer to your selected region. Keep in mind, using a VPN might cause higher ping or lag, especially if the selected server is far from your actual location. So only use this method if you really need to switch servers. If you're looking for a reliable VPN, you can use NordVPN. The link is in the description, and using it will give you maximum savings on your subscription. That's it. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.